Afternoon, everybody. Nate Eaton here outside the courthouse. Busy, active morning here at the Lori Vallow Daybell trial. We had opening statements from Trina Kay. Lori Vallow gave her opening statement, and then we had Brandon Boudreaux take the stand. He's the first witness in this case. He's still on the stand. We're at lunch right now. When we come back, Trina Kay has about 30 more minutes of questioning for him, followed by the 911 call that she said she plans to play. And then Lori Vallow will question her. I need to be careful because some of these people might be jurors. If you see a juror, I'll stop talking. But headed down to lunch now. It's a short lunch break today. They're really tightening up the schedule with this trial. Let's cross here. And if you missed Lori's opening statement, there were many objections from Trina Kay with some of the things she was saying. Trina argued that she was arguing, that she was saying stuff in an opening statement that you can't say, and most of those objections were sustained. Lori said, why would she have, she was not an enemy to Brandon, they were close, she liked Brandon, that the real conspiracy is between Brandon and the state and the police, and that they basically tried to set this all up. Trina Kay laid out the timeline of events. She talked about Brandon and Melanie going through a divorce, talked about Lori being involved intricately with Melanie, and the fact that Lori did not like the fact that Brandon was working with Charles to have her temple recommend taken away. Her opening statement was around 25 minutes. Lori's was probably around 10-ish, 10 to 15. Lori does seem better health-wise. Her voice did seem a little quieter than normal, but Brandon now so far has testified about the experiences of what he went through leading up to his divorce. They had a very long argument on a day when Brandon's grandfather had died, and Melanie, his wife, did not want to go to the funeral, and that led to a very long argument that lasted hours that included him texting Lori asking why she was trying to mess up their marriage, and Lori never wrote back. And right before lunch, Brandon was talking about the morning when he was shot at by Alex Cox, how the window fell out of his Tesla, how he remembers seeing the window on the Jeep go down and he saw a muzzle point out and heard a noise, and then he sped away, parked near a pool in the community, called 911, and when we get back from lunch, we will, as I mentioned, hear that 911 call, and we will hear the rest of his testimony. All right, short little video here today because I'm going to hop off and get some lunch, but you can go read the updates, you can go watch the statements, and of course tonight, Courtroom Insider will break it all down. A lot to talk about. Thanks for watching. Have a good lunch. See ya.